Once
Hey
I
guys,
was a great,
I'm back with another video.
invincible warrior.
This time, download a new
No
app
one
called
dared
Shadowfall. And it's a good game. Played it before. I'm restarting. Played it on other devices. So yeah, it's a good game. Sorry for the crappy audio again. It's a problem I just can't fix. This is my little Jew right here. I have the little knuckles. I'm moving this up to the thing. Push forward. Yeah. Incredible gameplay, guys. I'm so strong. Like, wow. Punching this bag over and over again. It's just... Whoa. Did you guys see that 5 combo? Wow. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, I'm missing all of them. Wow, I am so amazing at this game. I have a few of it, guys. I've been like maybe one person into the campaign. I know my stuff. No, I do not. Let's get right into it. I'm on Brick right now. Brick is really hard. For beginners. And I keep beginning. This, like, legit sounds like Call of Duty music. What matches are going on? He's so close to dying! I have the power of 1,000 knee punches. Come on, let it go. He's super effective. I smacked him in the foot. You like that? We're testing the waters. I'm gonna win just by doing this. Wow, I critical hitted him. Critical hitted him. That's not even a word. Hit it. Just keep doing it. I don't even care. You will win. Call you Jerry. Jerry, you can do this. Knee slapper. That's what I call a knee slapper. That doesn't make him a joke. I call a knee slapper. Ha 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 comedy. Ha. No more knee slaps for you. Kind of serious. Surprisingly easy. I win, guys, I win. I finally did it, I win. This is turning out to be a very short episode. I did it. I don't understand. How could one so small defeat me? Duels can be fought once every 4 hours. We have to use quick gimmick. Ooh, this is good. Let's do this. Oh, he has wooden punch. Wow, nice. Nice. Yeah. Oh, you get like random armor too. I didn't know that. Don't think you can escape the knee stabs. didn't even hit me. Didn't make any sense. Alright, let's do this again. Hey, you completed my front flip for me. I'll punch you to death. Iron punches, iron. Just gonna keep doing this. It's actually very fun. Yay, great! Waha! Yes. It was a close call. Basement. Match combo. Close call. 500 XP. I did it! I did it! Yay! No. It's like FPS on your device is very low. You need to change graphics quality. Okay. I don't care. At all. Alright. Menu. Can I learn any new skills? If I can. Oh. I did it, yay. I learned it. Oh wait. Oh, I didn't know. I didn't know. I didn't know. I did not know. Didn't know. Didn't know. Didn't know that I could do that. How you do that? The time to upgrade my stuff. Could upgrade my stuff. Oh wait, do I have that? Okay, boopity. And boopity. Yeah, I'm gonna do some kendo. I will kendo the crap out of you. You don't even know how kendoed you're gonna get. See, watch. Just watch. This bag doesn't even know how kendoed he's gonna get. He's gonna get so kendoed. Doesn't make sense, but it's not supposed to make sense. Freaking ninja! Alright, let's go do some other stuff. That's the sword thing, or the weapons thing. Didn't even do that. I'm gonna go fight a dude. I mean, a girl. Sure, bad, impossible, difficult to defeat. You have no chance of winning. I will win by the power of button mashing. Nowhere for you to run. Nowhere to stop you at nothing. Okay. Just say for I shall learn the king blow and bring knowledge to my master. Okay. I'm gonna button mash the crap out of your face. Your face is gonna get button mashed. I don't even know how button mashed you're gonna get. Ugh. Alright. Let's just take a moment to just respect this woman. Please just look at her. She needs respecting. Start putting on start. Button mash! god. Screwed. Oh, my butt. Yeah, let's do it. Face. Wow. Hey, that was my card. Kind of crazy. Oh, combo, combo. Why? My wombo combo, it failed me. How could my wombo combo fail me? My wombo combo was the best wombo combo. My wombo combo wasn't good enough for her wombo combo. I'm saying wombo combo way too much. That's you. Ugh. Yeah. We're gonna do a tournament. Come back to you. And Buddha tournament. Excuse me. Alright. What the heck? You're going down, madman. Go down. Gonna beat him. I'm gonna beat him. He's a samurai man. Samurai man, I'm gonna beat him. Samurai man. I don't know what. Hey! Oh, we have matching fist things! Twinsies! You can do a spiky hook. Look at that. And I won. I don't know, maybe you thanks for watching and whatever. Bye.